How to enable disabled apps on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable disabled apps on your iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First steps first, open up your settings. After you're on your settings, what you'll need to do is scroll down. There you should find screen time. Tap on screen time. Then scroll down again and there you should see content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that and enable your content and privacy restrictions. And inside there you'll find allowed apps and features. So head over to allowed apps and features. And there you should find all the apps that have been enabled. So if any of your app is disabled, such as a camera like this, all you have to do is toggle this button on and then your disabled app will be enabled back again. And it's that simple. And that's basically it for today's video as well. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and also share the video. And thanks for watching.